Young celebrity JoJo Siwa is becoming more and more popular recently. She is an unstoppable teenager with big goals. Former Dance Mom stars in the face of namesake billion-dollar brand, she has secured her place in the finals for Dancing with the Stars Season 30. But it seems she has more important things to do. JoJo Siwa takes a break from Dancing with the Star rehearsals to do something unexpected. Let's see what's going on. Successful kiddo. The young lady was not even 10 years old when she became one of the most famous stars. At just 9 years old, she was introduced to the world when she competed on Abby's Ultimate Dance Competition, a spin-off of Abby Lee Miller's Dance Moms. Siwa followed up her debut with a 2-season stint on Dance Moms in 2015. Siwa and her mom, Jessalyn, became staples on the show. With Jessalyn saying when the pair was introduced for Season 2, "I would say it was my mission in life to make JoJo a star." For her part, Siwa was known for being unafraid to talk back to Coach Abby Lee Miller. Later in 2015, she took her newfound fan base and headed to YouTube, where she began to amass a large number of followers. But that's not all. With all the ambitions, she couldn't just stay in the dancing and YouTube world, and in 2016, Siwa broke into the music scene with her first single, Boomerang. She didn't stop there as well. Guess why? She just wanted to be the owner and CEO of her own business, and what she would sell if not her iconic bows. JoJo's bows started selling at Claire's in 2016, and they were so coveted by young people that the BBC reported some schools were banning them for reasons spanning from being distracting to students being bullied for not being able to afford them. She has continued to sell products through Claire's, like a clothing line called JoJo's Closet, a beverage called JoJo's Juice, and so on. And she reached the level of fame where she launched her makeup line, which was actually recalled for containing asbestos, and she had to apologize for that. Wholesome and pure, oh so sweet. Dancing with the Stars. Dancing with the Stars Season 30 has been in full swing, and on December 8th, ABC unveiled the 15 celebrities putting on their dancing shoes this year, and our young superstar was named this time. Not only was JoJo one of the first contestants revealed for the season, but she also made history during the show. The OG Dance Mom star is the first celeb in the long-running show to have a same-sex dance partner. It was heavily anticipated that the star would do well given her history in dance, but it wasn't guaranteed as the ballroom dancing genre can prove tricky. I am so excited to be a part of this year's Dancing with the Stars Season 30 and be dancing with a girl. I think it's cool. It's going to be the best ever. I can't wait to just dance every single week. I can't wait to meet my partner, she said in a Twitter video shared on the official Dancing with the Stars account at the time. On the first dance, Siwa sported a neon orange crop top embellished with one of her trademark sparkly bows, nailed the intricate footwork of the routine. She and Johnson earned the top score of the night, 29 out of 40. You betta, Wink, that was the best ever. I can't even believe that week 1 is over. At Jenna Johnson, I could ask for a better partner. Thank you for taking me through this process while making it the most fun ever. The crew on Dancing with the Stars is so amazing. The cast is all so fun. Making history and top score of the night was literally a dream come true for me. Chase every dream you have and believe in yourself. Know that I love you all, and I am smiling so big right now because of you. We did this, Siwa wrote on her Instagram after the show. Johnson, who has been a professional dancer on the ABC Dance Competition show since 2016, wrote, "I'm so proud of you" in the comment section of Siwa's post and added a string of same-sex couple emojis. That's how they started, but now JoJo Siwa and Jenna Johnson Shumkowski have made it to the semifinals. During the semifinals, she topped the judges' leaderboard and was the first contestant announced as having advanced safely through to the finale. The first round of the night was a redemption round where Judge Len Goodman advised her on how to perform her Argentine tango from week 3 of the competition. He wanted less staccato movement and more fluid sensuality. That's what the judges got, and in return, Siwa got perfect 10s across the board. Then came Siwa's contemporary routine in round 2 to Lewis Capaldi's Before You Go, which was dedicated to her late grandfather. Derek Hugh went as far as to call it the best contemporary dance in the show's history. She got another perfect score, making her the only celeb that night to be perfect twice. The energy that I felt with Adam is a very similar energy that I feel with JoJo, especially in reaction to our partnership, our chemistry, our trust in each other, and in the overall joy that I've experienced throughout the season. They definitely share similar energies, but I think each partnership is different, Jenna said. I don't know when I'm ever going to have somebody as committed, as joyful, as into this experience, or as sweet as she is ever again. So, really, every day has been a dream and a blessing, she added. She takes a break from rehearsal to do what? Siwa stepped back from her grueling rehearsal for a little time out, and guess where she went? Taking to her Instagram stories, JoJo revealed she was getting her retail therapy fix at none other than Target. She could not contain her excitement as she browsed the aisles at the popular supermarket, and she loaded up her shopping cart with everything, including socks, sweaters, PJs, and more. And according to her facial expressions, of course, she was in heaven, and we totally get it. Target has lots in common with heaven, right? The best bit of it all was when she revealed she'd only nipped out for milk, but had come back with an assortment of goodies too. JoJo and Jenna's relationship. Dancing with the Stars' Jenna Johnson made history with Entertainment JoJo Siwa as the franchise's first same-sex dance couple. But that's been an afterthought to the duo's dominant season they've had so far. With 2 perfect scores already this season, it's hard not to talk about their incredible dance routines during the live show, which Johnson recently revealed is where she sees Siwa's greatest strength. Johnson revealed JoJo always shows up in the clutch, which may not be a surprise given her performances. I think that she is one of the hardest working people I've ever met. In the dance studio, in her career, just in life, you know, she has this zest for life. But I think that she's a game time player for sure. And even if she's having the worst day or have had a shaky rehearsal, or even on show day, we have like a dress rehearsal before we do the show and it doesn't always go as planned, and usually some people crack under that pressure and get in their head and they just stress out and then mess up come the live show. She will show up no matter what during the live show, and that is something that I think has been one of our advantages. She's able to clear her head and just be focused in the moment. And so I appreciate that so much, because going live is scary, you know. This isn't pre-taped. We don't get multiple takes. This is one take and that's it. Johnson talked about her dance partner and how Siwa has legitimately become one of her favorite dance partners of all time. Oh man, she is by far one of my favorites. I think that you get some points in your life on this show that you'll never forget and you're going to cherish forever. And the season is one of those that I will absolutely never forget. Even our partnership, the connection that we have, the understanding we have, the love that we have for one another. It's been a dream and I just don't want it to end. Honestly, like, we have 2 more weeks and that makes me physically ill. I just don't want the season to end because every day has been such a joy to work with her. Jenna thinks that Siwa is full of life, full of energy and positivity, and it's a pleasure for her to be able to work and dance with JoJo every day. And JoJo feels the same about Jenna and the confidence she has given her too. In a gushing Instagram post in the run-up to Disney Week, she wrote, "It's unexplainable the joy and happiness that I feel while on set. Thank you, Jenna, for being the best partner in the entire world. This journey would be so different without you. I'm so thankful for everything that you put into our dances every single week. Somehow they get better and better each week. Also, thank you for being my best friend. Thank you for making me laugh, smile, plank, say, oh, try things I would never try, and so much more. You're the literal best." What do you think about the first ever same-sex duo on the scene? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video from us. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.